Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Stories from an Educator. In this series, I share a story that took place in my career in education, what I learned from it, and how it can be applied to you. Last time, I mentioned how I think it is important to recognize the celebrations that may not be advertised in commercial establishments. Today, I'm going to share that story. One day, while in my office, a student came in for technology help. While I was assisting them, I made some small talk to make them more comfortable. Based on the student's name, I asked them if they celebrated a specific holiday not often recognized by commercial outlets in the United States. I want to clarify that it was the time of the year that the holiday was being celebrated. Um, the student's face lit up and they started sharing with me their experiences of the holiday. Now, I do want to share it is important to keep in mind that just because a student has a specific name, it does not mean they may celebrate a specific holiday or cultural tradition. However, asking what students celebrate can help them feel more welcome in the school culture. There is also a third aspect to this story, but for the sake of brevity, I am going to save it for next time. Till then, remember that students celebrate a variety of holidays in the United States, and being welcoming can help build bonds between yourself and your students. Every day, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.